We'll go down.
Oh yeah, baby. Now you're second guessing yourself. Just do it. Just do it. Give me the man one. Bust out. Rah. There you go. Rah.
That's that song.
Yeah.
He was like 4, I think.
Hurrah. There you go.
Like he never complained about water or anything.
Where is he? Is he under there? Let me go underwater.
Daddy, pull me for the tug.
I am.
You want me to pull her while you film?
Oh, that's fine. I got it.
For the tug super hard.
Super hard. Jiu-jitsu.
Caleb! It's Caleb.
Oh no, Captain King Caleb.
Whoa!
Oh, watch out throwing toys there, fool. What are you trying to do? Okay, would you let us help you? Okay. Well, let's get in the safe zone first.
Can I swim with my vest?
Yeah. Uh-oh, what am I stepping on here? Oh goodness, we're here at the pool and Harper's doing the bug thing. She's coming to get the bugs. Those are cute though, they're little all babies.
Yeah.
They're like all twins.
Yeah. I found another baby.
Another one.
I don't see it.
Come on, swim with me. Come on, Jaws. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Get those arms in front of you like this and switch out. And bring them back. Keep those feet. Yeah, that's good determination right there. Right there, right there. I'm filming it so you can see what you're doing and how to correct it. The next thing you gotta learn how to lay flat and get your feet there. Right there, right there. Exactly. Now bring your arms like this and switch it. And you get ease. There you go. Now you gotta learn to control it and come towards me. It's kind of like driving. Well, you're gonna do that. When you learn how to swim, you can do that without your breath. You can come out here and float. There you go. You're doing it. It's okay. There you go. And you're learning to control, like driving a car or driving something. You gotta learn to spin, to turn left and right. You got it, kid. Nope. There you go. There you go. Right there. Work it. Work it. Perfect.
No one wants the baby pool?
This is a fun place. The baby pool's for babies. Full of pee-pee and all that. Yeah, pee-pee pants. And the pee-pee pants, man.
then we go. Because they have a lot more flowers.
I found another one, baby. I found another sweet one.
Oh my God.
Get them.
There are babies everywhere.
I found another one. There we go. Go get a millions of
Is that normal for that always to get water in there? On the bottom?
Oh, I read the film wrong.
Oh. What do you got? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count.
1, 2, 3, 4. They're cute though. They're all little babies. See, that's the sad part though. They didn't even get to live life.
But one's moving.
But they're all dead. They should know better not to come to the pool.
This one, the black baby.
Yeah. See, well, their moms and dads are somewhere, probably on Facebook on their phones, not paying attention to them, and now they're dead. Oh. See, their moms are playing on TikTok. They're too busy on Facebook, gossiping, getting in people's business. Yeah, see, they got potato bug cell phones.
Why? Potato.
It'll be 11.
I can't get it.
Oh,
Got it.
got it?
Yeah.
Roblox escape the water.
Oh!
All right, about 10 more minutes.
This was a different one.
Roblox escape the water.
What? He's dead? How much difference can he give me?
And like gets in a big clump.
Ooh, there's a hairball ready. Like an orca. There you go. There you go. Don't follow me. Stay close to where you know that you can. You'll be fine. And there's your buckmouth right there.
In the water?
I can't survive up here.
Yeah, in the water right there.
She's all amazed by it.
Okay, but watch out. I'm gonna knock it out. So get out of the way.
Why are you gonna knock it out?
No, I didn't get it. Let me see that bucket. But don't touch it though. It'll still sting you. No, we're not squishing it either. Ooh. Just learn how to swim, child. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Now it's a zebra. It's the lion and the alligator. Oh me, oh my. Oh, it's the shark dude. Sharknado. Dun 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 dun. Just put your earbud on so you can do your thing. But every time we come, you're gonna practice until you get it. Okay? Got it? Give me a thumbs up. You got it. Alright. Ah, it's a leaf. Yeah, here, catch. Oh! Look at the bird. Look at that bird behind you. He's trying to get a buckmouth.